Happy day, students. I welcome you all for Computer Science video class 3. Now today we are going to look into the video of Microsoft Paint, that is lesson 3 video 1. So in this lesson you will be learning about features, how to open and using tools in Paint. At the end of this lesson, we will all be able to understand various features of graphics program in MS Paint, and also we will be able to learn how to create, edit, print pictures, and also to view and edit scan pictures. Let's get into the lesson. Now what is Paint? You all like to draw, right? So that is a software in which we can draw, color, do any kind of an effects to the paint. So Microsoft Paint is one of the simple graphic program which allows us to draw pictures on the screen and paint them with different colors. So what are the features? We can create, we can edit, printing pictures, and we can also draw different objects like pictures, cartoons, and so on. And we can view them, we can edit them, we can scan them also. So to do this, what we need to know? We need to know how to open a Paint. So how do we have to open MS Paint? So what we need to do? First, we need to click on Start button. Then click on All Programs. Click on Accessories. And click on Paint. So now what will come? Our Paint software will come. Now, before we draw in the MS Paint, we need to know what are the various boxes there. What is that called as? Components. You know what is components, right? Like how we have various parts of the body, various parts in that particular software. How do we say in computer term? Components. Shall we learn what are the components of MS Paint, students? Yes. First one. There is the biggest bar on the top which has untitled. What is that called as? Title. So what is this? Title bar. Next to that big bar on the right hand side, what are those options? Minus, one square box, and into what are those called as? Control buttons. And next to it, what is that one? Quick access toolbar. What is it? Quick access toolbar. There are two types of tab. Home and view. What is it called as? Tab. So which is ribbon? The overall box which is under the title bar is your ribbon. And what is this blank white area where we do and color? What is it called as? Working area. Okay. Now, using tools. So we all have to know what all the various tools, what is all there, right? So when we draw, what all we'll have? We'll have a pencil, we'll have a rubber, sharpeners, colors, sketch pens, crayons, and so many things we need to have. But here you don't have to have anything. It is all there. Inside it is inbuilt. We'll all see what all lovely things are there. Now let's get into how to use using tools. Okay. So what you can do with using these tools? We can draw many shapes in this tool. So how do we need to do it? After selecting the tool, any option from the tool option, we need to move the mouse cursor to the working area. Plus symbol will come. Without releasing your left mouse button, what we need to do? Drag it nicely in the direction wherever you want to draw, and then you have to drag it in a way like whether you wanted to make it small or big, like that you have to drag it and then release. What will happen? Whatever you have selected, that will appear. Okay, so that is a fill color, pencil, eraser, text tool, brush, line, and curve tool. So we'll all learn one by one what is all these. We are going to learn the first drawing tool, which is using Polygon Tool. You all know, most of you all know, there is a in the toolbox inside there's an option called shape. So what is that shape is used for? To draw the shape. In using this polygon tool, we can draw any number of sides by clicking one time. So if you wanted to draw a triangle, if you choose a line tool from the shapes, what we have to do? Each time we have to click on the line tool and draw one shape. But one time if you click onto the like the polygon tool, can you see that one which is highlighted there on the screen? That is the polygon tool. So from the shape tool, so polygon tool, we need to select the polygon tool from the shape button. What we need to do? We need to select the polygon tool from the shape button. Okay, from the shape button we need to select the polygon tool. Then what we need to do? We can select the thickness and now take the mouse cursor to the place where we want to draw. First draw one line, from that draw another line. Like that we need to drag continuously. A line will come and we can draw with one press. With this help of this polygon tool, many sides we can draw. So accordingly you can choose the color. If you want the line, say the outline to be in a different color, or then we can use your fill colors and then fill with this. So now we're using the polygon tool, we can draw a colorful number of sides, shapes with so many of sides. Okay students, hope you all must have understand this, and we will see in another continuation video too about various different tools of this. Okay students, thank you. Have a great day students.